Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start with the theorem 2. What is theorem 2? For any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, what was the theorem first? What was the theorem first? Can anyone tell me what was the theorem first? The A for the any square matrix A, okay, A plus A dash was symmetric matrix. Yes, and A minus A dash was skew symmetric matrix. Yeah, this was the theorem for any square matrix. For any square matrix, A plus A dash is known as the symmetric matrix, and A minus A dash is known as what? Skew symmetric matrix. Okay, this was the theorem first. Now we have to prove that any square matrix, let's assume that X, Y, Z, A, B, C, okay, we can express means that matrix can be expressed as the sum of the symmetry, okay, and this skew symmetric, and the what? Skew symmetric. Guys, am I audible properly? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, so if we have to prove that the sum of the, we can say the symmetric matrix and the skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Let a matrix A, let a matrix A, let a square matrix, that will be the effective, let a square matrix A, okay, then can we write down the A equal to half of 2A? Is there any problem, guys, if I will write down A equal to half of 2A?
No.
Yes. Okay. Now after that, can I express the half of 2A is basically A plus A dash plus A minus A dash? Yes. A plus A dash plus A minus A dash? Yes. Can we express 2A equal to like this? Because of A dash minus A dash get cancelled, again we will get the same thing, no? Now, if after that, if I separate this half of, okay, in two parts, half of, can we write on this part as the first A plus A dash, okay, plus second part as the A minus A dash, then I will get here the A equal to, the matrix A equal to the half of the A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. Yes, guys, can we say that?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay, since A plus A dash is what? Symmetric matrix. Yeah, A plus A dash is what? Symmetric matrix. Then half of A plus A dash will be also, yeah, it will be also symmetric matrix. Okay, why? What is the reason behind it? Since Ka dash, okay, Ka dash, if you want to prove this, now I can prove even. Ka dash equal to K times of A dash. So there will be no influence of the constant term. Okay, so Ka dash equal to K times of A dash. If you want the proof of this, okay, you can ask me later also, okay, how do we get this? Okay, and I can prove, okay, the half of A plus A dash, if A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, it means that half of A plus A dash or any constant K times of A plus A dash will be the what? The same matrix. If you multiply with the constant term, then the nature of that matrices does not get changed. जैसा matrices होगा वो ऐसा ही रहने वाला. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप constant से multiply करने के बाद आपका square matrix row matrix में convert हो जाएगा. Not like that. Okay. So if you have A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix from the theorem first, आई टोल्ड यू व्हाट द थ्योरम फर्स्ट, ओके। और यदि आपको थ्योरम फर्स्ट समझ में नहीं आया तो आप जाकर के चेकआउट कर सकते हैं वीडियो को, ओके, recorded video को। So the half A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. It means that the half of A plus A dash will be the also symmetric matrix, and that's why since we can say that KA times of KA dash equal to what, KA complement, okay, or because of this property means if you multiply with a constant term, nature will not change of that matrix, okay. And A minus A dash is what, is a skew symmetric matrix, a skew symmetric matrix, then skew symmetric matrix, then half of, okay, A minus A dash will be also a skew symmetric, also skew symmetric matrix, okay. Now many teachers does not prove even this, the theorem 2 को prove भी नहीं करता है, वो डायरेक्ट लिख देता है कि this is this, okay, and आप इसे आगे खुद देख लो, but look at the concept, okay, and you can write on the here also the reason behind this also, the Ka dash, okay, Ka dash means if I multiply with the constant term, that does not change the even the nature of that matrices, so K times of A dash. So because of this property of the complement, okay, or transpose, not complement, transpose, we can write on all this, okay. It means that whatever we got here, ये जो हमें यहाँ पे मिला था, इसको अब हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, क्या लिख सकते हैं बताओ guys? What I will write on this equal to? I will write on this equal to A is equal to basically half of क्या था, A plus A dash, okay, plus half of A minus A dash. So can we say that basically any square matrix A will be represented as a sum of what, symmetric matrix plus skew symmetric matrix. Clear with this? When this is the symmetry, yeah, this is the skew symmetry. तो दोनों का जो addition होता है, that will be a given matrix. मतलब any matrix can be expressed in this form, and you will get 1 marker question from here, okay. You will get 1 marker question from here. So clear with this part? Yes, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll take an example here. Just a second. We'll take an example. Give me a second. Yeah, I'll take this example only. So you can solve the unsolved problem also. जो आपको दिया है वहां से आप unsolved problem ले सकते हो. But you have आपको जो समझ में आना चाहिए वो है concept. Okay. What is this question? Question is the express the matrix B. Okay, express the matrix B as a sum of symmetric and the sum of skew symmetric. And the skew symmetric means I have to express B equal to the sum of skew symmetric and symmetric. तो क्या लिखूंगा, B equal to half of B plus B dash, this is the symmetric, plus half of B minus B dash. And I told you कि half मैंने कहाँ से लिया था. Okay, look at the derivation, आपको समझ में आएगा half कहाँ से आया है. ठीक है. Now first we have to find out B is given, the B plus B dash. So first I will find out B plus B dash. Okay, so what is B we have? B we have 2, -2, -4, -1, 3, 4. Okay, then 1, -2, -3. This we have the B. Plus what will be the B dash? Just take the transpose of this matrix. Means the first row को first column बना दो. 2, -2, -4. The second row into second column, that will be the -1, 3, and -2. Okay, and third row into third column, that will be the 1, -2, -3. Clear with this? After that, if we add this B plus B dash, we will get here. क्या मिल जाएगा B plus B dash का वैल्यू? तो 2 plus 2, 4, -2, -1 कितना हो जाएगा? -3, -4, 1, -3, -1 and -2 कितना हो जाएगा? प्लस करने के बाद -3, 3 plus 3 6, and the 4 plus -2 कितना हो जाएगा? +2. Okay, then after 1 -4, -3, Then minus 2, minus 4, minus 3, minus 3, minus 6.
Sir,
Yeah.
the transpose of B will be, the second row will be -1, 3, and 4.
Second row will be minus 1, 3, and
You wrote
yeah,
2.
okay. This one, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So there will be change here. Okay. Then minus 2 plus 4 will be the 2 here. Will be the 2. Everything fine then? Other than this? Yes? Now
Yes,
I will. Now then after that we have to calculate B minus B dash. Okay, B minus B dash. So we have the B here. The B is 2. Okay. And then after that 2 minus 2. Okay, minus 4. Then minus 1, 3, 4, 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is the B. Then minus B dash means first row, first column, the 2, minus 2, minus 4. Second row, second column, then minus 1, 3, 4. Third row, third column. We have to interchange the third row into third column. That is 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Clear with this? So if I talk about the B minus B dash, it will be equal to basically 2 minus of minus 2. Can I write on this equal to 0? Yes. After that, minus 2 plus 1. Then minus 1, minus 4, minus 1, minus 5. Okay. Then minus 1 plus 2, 1, 3, minus 3, 0, 4, minus 1 plus 2, 6, 1, minus of minus 4, 5, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 3 plus 3, 0. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Can anyone tell me the name of this matrix? ये आपको क्या लग रहा है? इसको थोड़ा सा देखो, ये सिमेट्री है या स्क्यू सिमेट्री है? If you feel that this is not symmetric, skew symmetric, this is skew symmetric, आप check करके देखो. If you take the transpose of this B minus B transpose, if you will get the same, yes or no? And the first property of skew symmetry is what? Diagonal elements must be 0. Guys, look at the concept. Remember, I told you that for the skew symmetry, the diagonal element should be 0. याद है आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. So look at this. This is a skew symmetry. And if you want to prove it now, तो आपको proof मिल जाएगा. कैसे proof मिलेगा? इसका transpose करके देख लो. 0, minus 1, minus 5, second to second column, 1, 0, 6, third to third column, तो 5, minus 6, 0. अब देखो, अब ये मैट्रिक्स और इस मैट्रिक्स में सिर्फ एक ही फर्क है क्या? माइनस. इफ आई टेक द माइनस आउटसाइड, ये देखो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, ये प्लस हो जाएगा, ये माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा, ये प्लस हो जाएगा, ये माइनस हो जाएगा. एंड लुक एट दिस एंड दिस इज द सेम. इट मींस दैट आपने यहाँ पे स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक प्रूव कर दिया. नाउ इफ यू चेक दिस, दिस इज द सिमेट्री मैट्रिक्स. कैसे सिमेट्री है? यू कैन चेक इट अप. देखो ये एलिमेंट सेम है, ये एलिमेंट और ये एलिमेंट सेम है, ये एलिमेंट और ये एलिमेंट सेम है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज स्क्यू सिमेट्री. ऐसा सेम होना चाहिए. Okay, that will be called a symmetric matrix. Means whatever you got here, B plus beta, that is a symmetry. And यहाँ पे जो B minus beta है, this is a skew symmetric. Now, so we can express this B equal to the half of. Means you can express your matrix B equal to the half of this part, that is a 4 minus 3 minus 3. Okay, minus 3 6 2 minus 3 2 minus 6. Plus half of in the form of skew symmetry, that is 0, minus 1, minus 5, 1, 0, 6, 5, minus 6, and 0. And this is the answer. You expressed your B matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric, and this is the answer. Clear with this, guys? Is there any problem? Yes.
No.
There are so many videos of. मैं बाहर कर दूंगा ना. So this is the fifth question of 13 exercise 13 point, not 13 point, 3.3. Okay. What is the question? For the matrices A and B, verify that A B dash equal to B dash A dash. The first you have to find out. I will solve this one. Okay, you have to solve this. This is the homework for you guys. Okay, I will not solve this. The second one I will not solve. First one I'll solve. Same method with the help of same concept you have to solve this. The second one. So I will find this. So for this, for the matrices A and B, verify that AB dash equal to B dash A dash, where A is given, B is given. Okay, first I will find out AB. Okay, so what will be the AB? To put A matrix here, 1, -4 and 3. Okay, and the here as the -1, 2 and 1. Okay, what will the final order of the matrix AB? AB का matrix का order कितना होगा? 3 row first column, 1 row, 3 column. So 3 by 3. So the order will be here 3 by 3. Now the final A B matrix. Okay, now listen. So this is the first row first column element. The first row first column the -1. First row second column that will be the 2. First row third column that will be the 1. Second row first column that will be the 4. Second row second column -8. Second row third column that will be -4. Third row first column -3. Third row second column is 6. And third row third column is 3. So this is the AB. Now we have to find out the AB dash. I'll find out here AB dash. Just a second. So what will be the AB dash, guys? AB dash will be equal to कितना हो जाएगा? AB dash. Yes. First row first column
-1 2 1
-1 2 1. Second row second column the 4 -8 -4. Third row third column -3 6 3. This is the AB dash. So this is your left hand side. Okay, now I will find out B dash first. What is the B dash? The B is given here, so I will make this as a, the B dash means first row ko first column bana do. So -1 2 and 1. This is the B dash. Now I will find out A dash. Okay, कितने हैं? First row मतलब पूरे column को row बना दो. The first row ko first column that is 1, second row ko second column that is -4, और third row ko third column that is 3. Now find out B dash A dash. So B dash A dash will be there basically -1 2 1. Okay, then multiply with this term with the 1 -4 and 3. Now when you multiply that, you'll get B dash A dash is equal to कितना आ जाएगा बोलो? First row first column -1, second first row second column 4, first row third column -3, second row first column 2, second row second column -8, second row third column 6, third row first column guys, third row first column that is 1, third row second column -2 -4. Okay, and that is, this will be the 3. Okay, this will be the, this is the B A dash. Okay, now we have to prove, we have to find out B. Okay, so we have to find out B A dash only. We don't have to take any transfer. Now look at the, this is your RHS and check that LHS and RHS is equal or not. So -1 4 -3 2 -8 6 1 -4 and 3, the same thing here, and here LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so we can say that here LHS is equal to RHS, और we proved it. हमने क्या कर दिया? Prove कर दिया इसको. So done. This question done. Now we'll solve next question. Are you guys writing this? लिखना है किसी को? Hello.
हो गया सर.
Okay. After that, I'll take the question number 6 first to this one. What is this question? Just a second. If A is this, verify that A dash into A equal to what? I. I'll find out A dash first. A dash will be equal to what? First row, first column, cos alpha, sin alpha. Okay. Then second row, second column, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay. Now I will find out A dash into A. Don't change the order because AB is not equal to BA. Okay. So don't change the order. A dash into A. So what is A dash we have here? That is cos alpha minus sin alpha. Okay, then sin alpha. Okay, then after that the cos alpha into what is the A? कितना आ जाएगा यहाँ पे? The cos alpha, the sin alpha. Okay, minus sin alpha. Then after that cos alpha. Now if you multiply this, we will get here cos into first row first column. So cos alpha into cos alpha कितना हो जाएगा? Cos square alpha. Then after this plus sin square alpha. Okay, then first row second column, the cos alpha sin alpha minus cos alpha into sin alpha. Second row first column, again sin alpha cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, after that we'll get again second row second column, that is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Now we can cancel this and this. We can cancel this and this. We'll get here the sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1, 0, 0, 1, and this is an identity matrix. And we proved it. Okay, clear with this? Now after that, I will discuss this question. If A, B are symmetric matrix of the same order, then AB minus BA is which type of matrix we will get? Very important question. Okay, अब यहाँ पे समझना ये पड़ेगा आपको कि किस टाइप का ये मैट्रिक्स होगा. Now look at A and B is symmetric. It is given. Okay, A B is symmetric. It is given in the question, and we have to check that of the same order. And we have to check that AB minus BA क्या होगा. AB minus BA इसको symmetric हो सकता है, symmetric हो सकता है, identity matrix हो सकता है, zero matrix कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो first I'll check the symmetry and इसको symmetry. Because क्या दिया है कि A equal to A transpose yes और A equal to A dash and B equal to B dash. It is given. It is given. Why? It is given here A and B are the symmetric matrix. Now, if I have to check that which type of this matrix AB and minus BA will be, I will first take the transpose. So AB minus BA whole. I will take the whole transpose. Now tell me guys, AB minus BA क्या होता है? याद करो. Can anyone tell me the property of the transpose? क्या था? A minus B का transpose कितना होता है? A transpose minus B transpose. I will add on here कि this, consider this is the first matrix and this is second matrix. I will add on this is equal to AB transpose minus BA transpose. Any problem? Why? Since A plus B transpose, A plus minus B transpose equal to A transpose plus minus B transpose. Are you following all this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the AB transpose? AB transpose, I told you what is the AB or transpose. That will be basically B transpose into A transpose minus, can I write this? The A transpose into B transpose. उल्टा हो जाता है? Yes. पहले हम इस वाले पार्ट को लिखते हैं, तब इस वाले पार्ट को लिखते हैं. Okay. Now tell me what is B dash equal to? B dash equal to B. I will add on this is equal to B. And A dash equal to, I will add on A minus, what is A dash? A dash is given as A. So I will add on this is the A and I will add on this equal to what? B dash equal to B. Any problem? Now guys, if you look at this part, can I take the minus common? And if you take the minus common, I will add on AB minus BA. AB minus BA. So what you got here? You will get here AB minus BA transpose जो है वो कितना आ गया आपका? AB minus BA transpose equal to minus of AB minus BA means X transpose equal to minus X. It means X is skew symmetric. If X is skew symmetric, it means this is AB minus BA. If you got the transpose of that as a minus AB minus BA, it means that this matrix, type of this matrix is skew symmetric. So not symmetry, sorry. Skew symmetric matrix. Clear with this? Now, seriously, you have to write. But we have in question number 12, if this matrix A equal to this matrix, then A plus A dash equal to I, then find the value of alpha is, okay. First find out A plus A dash. So for that you have to find out A dash. A dash will be equal to again, कितना हो जाएगा? Cos alpha, first row first column minus sin alpha here, second row second column the sin alpha and cos alpha. This is a dash. Okay, I will find out now a plus a dash is equal to कितना हो जाएगा a plus a dash, दोनों को ऐड कर तो डायरेक्ट ऐड कर रहा हूँ, जैसे लिखना पड़ेगा क्या, ठीक है, cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha, sorry, minus sin alpha, wait a minute, wait, sin alpha, then after that cos alpha. If I add this matrix to the a dash, that is cos alpha, then sin alpha, then minus sin alpha, after that cos alpha, we'll get identity matrix. Identity matrix is given, then we'll get identity. Identity matrix means what? 1 0 0 1. Clear? After that, if I add this, we will get cos plus cos, 2 cos alpha, okay, then 0 0 and 2 cos alpha again here. That equal to identity matrix, and it will be equal to 1 0 0 1. If you compare the two matrices same, it means their corresponding elements should be same. So we got here 2 cos alpha equal to 1. If 2 cos alpha equal to 1, cos alpha equal to 1 by 2. Yes. Now tell me, if cos alpha equal to 1 by 2, it means alpha equal to how much degree?
Pi by
60
3.
that equal to pi by 3. The answer for this question is pi by 3. Answer for this question is pi by 3. Clear with this? And here we're done with the exercise 3.3.